Welcome to frocksandfrolics.com, your site for PDF sewing patterns and free sewing courses. I'm going to take you on a whistle-stop tour of how it works here at Frocks and Frolics. Choose your pattern, for example a girl's pattern, and I'm going to go for the really beautiful Connie top. This is like every other site. You click on Add to Basket, and then you have to go to View Basket and then we're going to proceed to the checkout. You will now have to fill in all your details and, very importantly, set up a password for your account. If you are a returning customer, you click on there, just put in your email, everything else fills itself in by itself. It's very good. You have to tick the box, I have read and agree to the website terms and conditions, and then that will get you to your payment platform. And then as you return after payment, this is what you see. You have to click on log in now to actually go onto your courses. So the moment you click on that, there they are. And that's where you can find all your patterns. So in my case, I want to go on Connie and I'm clicking on letter size. My patterns are always in module 1. And because I live in the US, I choose letter size. Everywhere else, it would be DIN A4 mainly in the world. And then you can download your pattern, save it to your computer, and that's basically it. Now let's have a look at the course structure. You've got here a load of videos taking you through the whole process. So you just click on the introduction to the project and then basically you can work your way through. It's very detailed and it covers everything from your pattern to how it goes together, finishing techniques. It's all there. Now the Academy is integrated into the site. So every time you buy something, you're automatically added to the course that goes with your sewing pattern. You can find the product videos in here as well. So I'm just going to scroll down to the Connie, the course we've just purchased. You can look at it to get a preview of what the course actually will entail just by clicking on Connie top. That'll take you to the course and you can scroll through from here. There's a link also back to the shop page if you then want to purchase the pattern. And everything that's highlighted pink is actually free to watch. So the introduction to the project is free, for example, so you can have a good look at that, see if you like what you see. And then under bonus videos, I usually have the YouTube version of the video, which is a shorter version than this complete course. On the Academy page, the product videos are ordered by beginner, intermediate and advanced, so you can see if it's your level. And we have also some free courses here, and I'm going to collate all my pattern hacks, etc. in that one. Below here under sewing methods, you have got video courses for all sorts of methods. And it's not just one video, it's loads of videos in there. So how to install a zipper, will have all the zippers in there you could ever need. So you can just view those. You don't need to be logged in or anything for it at all. And because all the courses are free, and when you buy a pattern you automatically add it to the courses that you need, you don't really need to create an account. But if you are an existing Etsy customer and you actually want me to transfer all the courses you've bought there into your account, then I will of course do that. So if you open up an account, send me an email, then I'm really happy to do that. And that ends my whistle stop tour of Frocks and Frolics, and I hope to see you soon in one of my courses. Bye for now.